Today we're going to talk about assistance systems in a Taycan. If you've optioned InnoDrive on your new Taycan, you can adjust what settings you would like to use by using the button on the end of the assistance system stalk. You can push that button and you'll see this menu pop up here. Speed limits, route, and lane keeping. Speed limits uses the camera to adjust your cruise control automatically to the speed limit. Route takes a look at the route, curvy roads, straight roads, hills, stop signs, and adjusts your speed accordingly. And then lane keeping, and this is to keep your car in the center of the lane if you have cruise control activated. You can adjust InnoDrive using the assistance system stalk, or you can adjust in the PCM. Select Vehicle, Assistance, and here you can change each of the three items we were just discussing. Now let's move down just a little bit further here to additional functions. Let's walk through some of these. Okay, with speed warning, what's going to happen is it's going to give a little red highlight if you've exceeded the detected speed limit for that particular road. And you can also have an acoustic warning with that as well. Warn and brake assist will intervene if there's an imminent risk of collision damage. We also have lane keep assist. Now, lane keep assist is not to be confused with active lane keeping in InnoDrive. Active lane keeping will do its best to keep the car in the center of the lane. Lane keep assist will do corrective steering to keep you from departing your lane. We also have lane departure warning here. This is an audible noise that happens if you accidentally start to go out of your lane. You'll hear what sounds like you going over a rumble strip on a racetrack. We also have lane change assist. Lane change assist will monitor your blind spots and let you know if there's a vehicle there. And it does so by lighting in the exterior mirror. Intersection assist will assist you if you're pulling up to an intersection and you cannot see left or right. You'll actually see a visible warning on the vehicle to tell you whether or not there's traffic coming from the left or right. You may see a distance warning icon in your instrument cluster if you get too close to a vehicle in front of you, and there are different settings for this. You can have early, regular, or late, or you can even turn it off if you like. Emergency stop function is here to assist in the event of a medical emergency and the driver becomes non-responsive. The vehicle will do its best to come to a complete stop. With proactive occupant protection, the car realizes that there is a critical driving situation that's about to happen and will tighten the seat belts accordingly prior to the incident. The last one we're going to look at here is brake recommended. It'll let you know in the instrument cluster if it's starting to notice signs of fatigue during long drives. And if your vehicle is equipped with night vision assist, it will actually show up here at the bottom as well. And you can view that in the instrument cluster. You now know how to adjust InnoDrive and some other assistance systems in your new Taycan.